All right, today we're taking a look at a massive online resource that could seriously be the digital lifeline you never knew you needed. Let's get right into it. You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You're deep into something important and bam, an error pops up, your system just gives up, or something flat out refuses to work. It is that moment of pure frustration. You've just hit a technical brick wall. But what if I told you there's a place just packed with experts and fellow enthusiasts who have probably seen your exact problem 100 times, and they're ready to help? For free? Well, that place is real. It's the Windows Forum, a huge community built to solve these exact headaches. And when I say massive, I really mean it. This is not some dusty, forgotten website from the 90s. To give you an idea, at any given moment, you'll find over 4,000 users online. It's a living, breathing community that's active 24/7. So with a place that big, where do you even start? Let's kick off our tour where most people do, getting solutions for your Windows problems. The first place you'll probably want to check out is the main help and support forum. You can think of it like the central hub for getting help with just about any Windows issue you can imagine. And the amount of knowledge here, it's just staggering. The main help forum by itself has over 160,000 messages. And when you add in the other forums for things like installations and networking, you're looking at hundreds of thousands of conversations. Every single one is a potential solution. And we're not talking about vague general discussions here. People are solving real, super specific problems every single day. I mean, this recent thread title, it's a perfect example of the kind of practical, hands-on help you'll find. Okay, but what about the one error that strikes fear into the heart of every PC user? You know what I'm talking about? The blue screen of death. Well, of course, there's an entire section of the forum dedicated to defeating it. Just how much do they talk about this one topic? Over 41,000 messages. That is an insane library of fixes and solutions for what is basically the most catastrophic error your computer can have. The point is, you are definitely not alone with your problem. And this place isn't stuck in the past either. It's constantly evolving. They even have a new AI analyzer that helps diagnose your crash logs in an instant. It's a great example of the community using cutting-edge tech to help out. But look, the forum is so much more than just troubleshooting. It's also this amazing collection of vibrant, specialized communities for all kinds of different interests. So, if you're a gamer, you're totally covered. There are dedicated spots to talk about optimizing your graphics card, figuring out why a game is crashing, or, just chatting about what you're playing right now. For anyone who loves to tinker with the actual parts of their machine, the hardware forum is your playground. It's the go-to spot for advice on drivers, checking if components are compatible, and squeezing every last drop of performance out of your rig. And hey, if you're a coder, there's a spot for you too. There's a whole space for programmers and scripters to work together, debug code, and just talk shop about Windows development. And it's not all about performance and problems. For all you creative types out there, the Desktop Customization Forum is this awesome hub for sharing unique themes, cool icons, and amazing wallpapers to make your desktop really feel like your own. And this brings us to a really important point. The Windows Forum is so much more than just a tech support site. It is a genuine community. This really shows the two sides of the coin. On one hand, you've got all the deep technical support areas we've been talking about, but on the other hand, you have these incredible community hubs for news, announcements, and even just casual chat. And these are not some tiny, forgotten side sections. Get this, the water cooler, which is for off-topic chats, has over 30,000 threads, and the Windows News section is right behind it. It just proves that people are here to connect, not just to fix things. I mean, just look at what people are talking about right now in the news section. The future of Windows 10, new concepts for Windows 12, AI roadmaps, new gaming hardware. This community is active, they're informed, and they're always looking ahead. So after taking this quick tour, what's the big takeaway? It's really simple, actually. Your community is waiting for you. If you had to boil it all down, this is it. The Windows Forum is a massive, super active, and totally free resource. It's all powered by real people from all over the world. Everyday users, certified experts, and passionate enthusiasts, all sharing real-world knowledge you just can't find in a manual. And getting started is so easy. Next time you have a problem, just search for it there first. Or just go browse one of the niche forums that sounds interesting to you. And hey, if you really want to dive in, go say hello. And don't be intimidated.
Seriously, this is not some exclusive club. The Introduce Yourself thread has over 1,000 replies from people just like you. It's a really welcoming place designed for connection.
So I'll just leave you with this final thought. Beyond just solving your next tech headache, what new hobby, what interesting conversation, or what cool piece of knowledge could you discover there? The only way to find out is to go explore.